What is up, guys? Today it's Monday morning. It's currently 10:26, so it's about 4 minutes before New York Stock Exchange opens. So I'm getting ready to trade. I'm doing my pre-market analysis right now, and I'm also in Tactical Traders Premium Discord. And right now he's streaming. He's also doing his market analysis and stuff like that. So it's cool to see somebody else's insight on the markets, and maybe take some tips from them and stuff like that. You could always improve and become better. But yeah, this is my Nasdaq chart right now. We're not seeing anything on Nasdaq. We're just waiting for some structure to get formed and for us to get some more confirmation on the draw and liquidity. But let's look at news. So today it's Monday. We don't have any news. It's no news Monday. So I don't have high expectations today at all, and I'm not gonna go in with any expectations because Monday no news, not the best combination. There's not a lot of volatility and movement and stuff like that. Then Tuesday, the day after, we have CPI. So that's nice. That's a good day to trade. I personally like trading high impact news days. Just as long as you're trading after that, you're good. And then on Valentine's Day, the day after, we don't have anything, but I'm probably just gonna trade that day just like normally. And then Thursday, we have core retail sales, ESM manufacturing, retail sales, unemployment claims. Okay, so this is also a really good day to trade. A lot of high impact news, a lot of volatility. And then Friday, we have core PPI, also a good day to trade. And we also have 10 a.m. Eastern news. For me, it's 11. My time is 1 hour ahead. But we also have 10 a.m. Eastern news. So just gotta wait for that to pass and then I'll be able to trade. But currently, if I open the charts right now, there's really nothing to see. I have this 1 hour fair value gap marked out. We also have this 1 hour fair value gap right here. But there really is nothing to see. Obviously, the higher time frame draw is still gonna be higher, even though we're at all-time highs. Like ICT said, usually when we're at all-time highs, we usually continue as much more than people think we do, because so many traders think, oh, we're at all-time highs, we basically took buy side and now we're gonna go to the downside, now we're gonna dump. But usually that's not the case. We just keep continuing for some time and then maybe we retrace, rebalance some inefficiencies, maybe rebalance to equilibrium and then maybe continue or reverse. We don't know. But that's why until I've gotten proven otherwise, until maybe some higher time frame PDRA gets really violated, like if we create this daily imbalance right here and we clearly violate it with a daily candle with a close below, then maybe I'll flip my bias. But from now on, I'm still gonna be bullish. Currently, the market just opened. As you can see, we're already melting. We're melting right now, but still nothing for me to see. I'm just gonna keep analyzing the markets and look for opportunities. Remember, don't go into the markets expecting to take a trade. Always get into the markets expecting to not take a trade, and if you take a trade, expect it to be a loss. That's the best thing you can do. So you don't go with expectations, because if you go in the markets with expectations, that's just looking for failure. Anyways, right now, again, nothing to see. I'm gonna put a time lapse of my trading day. I'm probably gonna be trading for like an hour and a half, just looking at the charts, not actually trading, unless I find an opportunity. And then I'll update you guys later how it went, if I took anything, if I lost, or if I won, and stuff like that. So what is up, guys? I just finished trading. I took a loss. It was a long on Nasdaq. It was a really nice trade in my opinion, and I'm happy with the loss. It's all a game of probabilities. I'll show you guys the trade in a second, but yeah, it was just a good trade. We took Asia and New York lows, not New York. We took Asia and London lows. We traded into a 1 hour fair value gap, and we have internal manipulation and displacement to the upside, disrespecting it, opposing FEGs. So it was a nice setup in my opinion. But I had really low risk because, like I already said, it is a no news Monday. So you can already expect choppy price action on days like this. So I only risked about 0.25%, really small loss. I'm happy with my performance. I'm not attached, it's not that deep. It is what it is, as long as you follow your rules, as long as you follow your plan, you're good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the trade right now. I'm overall really happy with my performance today. Good psychology, good discipline, and exposed myself to a good amount of risk. So we were basically in this H1 fair value gap. This is the blue thing I have marked out here. We had all this generated buy side, just low resistance liquidity forming, and obviously we had a higher time frame bullish bias, and just everything just was lined up correctly. You know what I mean? So after about a couple of minutes after New York open, stock exchange open, we had this huge displacement to the upside. We got this manipulation right here. And yeah, so this was the breaker. I initially wanted to enter here, but I decided to wait for more structure to form because I've gotten stopped out on those type of trades a lot of times. So I decided for more structure to form and wait for another manipulation within that. And that's what I got right here. This is the internal manipulation that I marked out. And with that, we had SMT. So it was a really nice setup. I think my only problem with this trade is I could have had a bigger stop loss, because usually if you have SMT, you're gonna put your stop loss at the SMT low, but I wasn't willing to do that because my draw, if I would have taken that trade, then I only would have had like a 1.2 R. But that's why I decided to put it at the other swing low that I had first. But yeah, besides that, I'm happy with my trade. It was a nice long, and it is what it is, you know what I mean? I expected this kind of chop, so that's why I risked really little, only 0.25%. And yeah, I'm happy with my performance. Right now I'm gonna go to the gym, and later I'm gonna hop back on the charts and see what price did, because me staring at the charts isn't gonna do anything right now. I'm happy with my performance and I'm clocking out. What is up, guys? I didn't go to the gym yet, but as you can see, my draw on liquidity was correct. We're going for that buy side and taking out all those generated buy stops. We're taking them all out and we're going for the highs, So bias was correct for the day. Happy with my performance, just watched the price do its thing. We got chopped up, but it is what it is. Shit like this is gonna happen. So it's a part of the game, bro. What is up, guys? You guys probably can't see me really good right now, but the gym was closed today, so I decided to go on a run, and now I'm finishing the run. It was like 7-8 kilometers, and yeah, peace.